Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. First of all, I would like to say Happy New Year, honeycrunchers. It's 2021, and I hope things would get better. Despite all of the crazy happenings that 2020 brought us, I'm so thankful for a lot of things that happened in 2020. And I also want to thank you guys for watching my videos and subscribing. And your awesome and sweet comments made my 2020 more fun and exciting. Okay, so let's move on to the video. Today, I'll be swatching 3 Zoya nail polishes. Bought these at Polish Please PH on Shopee. We have a Zoya Holiday Duo set, and this is the box. Then we have the shade Dream by Zoya. I've been eyeing this blue holographic nail polish since they posted this on Shopee, and I'm super happy that I finally have a blue holographic nail polish. And here it is under my cell phone camera flash. Oh my, I'm loving it so much! Now let's unbox this holiday set. We have Cosmo, and it's from their Pixie Dust line. And this one is Isa. Now let's swatch these beautiful Zoya nail polishes. Let's first swatch Cosmo. Before every swatch, I'm applying 2 coats of my favorite peel-off base coat. Then for the second coat of Cosmo. Cosmo is packed with different sizes of holographic glitters, and it's on a clear base. You can use it as a base or a holographic topper. Next I'm swatching is Isa. By the way, I applied white nail polish after applying 2 coats of my favorite peel-off base coat, so that it won't stain my nails. Dark shaded nail polishes usually stain my nails, so applying a white nail polish somehow prevents the staining. Now for Isa's second coat. It has a shifting violet to blue shade, and it has a purple shimmer too. And the last nail polish to swatch in this video is Dream. Now for Dream's second coat. I really love everything about this blue holographic nail polish. The name Dream perfectly suits its shade name. All of these nail polishes were bought on Polish Please PH on Shopee. They really are fast drying. It has a 10-free formula. One bottle contains 15 ml of gorgeous nail polish. Their pixie dust line is textured. If you're not a fan of textured nail polishes, you can always smoothen it out with a thick coat of glossy top coat. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. Once again, Happy New Year, honeycrunchers! And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!